Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today guys, we'll show you how to remove and replace overhead lamp on Mazda CX-7 right here that we have. If you have a bulb that's bad or you need to replace the whole assembly, we'll show you how to do that. Okay, that's the one we're talking about right here. Okay, and this one is not functioning right. Okay, the switch is messed up on it, so we're just going to go ahead and replace it with a new one. And if you get a prying tool right here on the side, okay, there is a clip there, but it's better if you use, okay, a little bit bigger tool, and you can pull on the side, and there is one clip here, okay, just like that. Now you need to disconnect the cables. Okay, right there, and that's the overhead lamp now for it. So if you had a bad bulb, guys, it's replaceable. Okay, all you have to do, just turn counterclockwise, okay, and you can pull the bulb out. You can see even this one is burned, it's black. You pull it out of there, and that's how you guys replace it. We just push the new one in and lock it in place. Okay, just like that. There is two bulbs, super easy design to work with. And when you get a replacement one, all you will have to do is just connect the wire, okay, and push it in until it locks, and that's the whole procedure, guys. Pretty simple. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.